Hello everyone. So welcome to the next session of complex numbers. So in the last session, we have seen the basics of fundamentals of complex number and related to the I and arithmetic operations and all that. Now we are going to see few examples. Okay. Now take one problem here. Find real values of x and y if x square plus 4i minus 5x minus yi is equal to 7 minus 3i plus 2 plus 4i. Now we'll see now how to solve this. Okay. Now this is what actually the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Find the real values of x and y. So I want to tell one simple before solving this one simple theory. Suppose if anyone tells that two complex numbers are equal, like a plus ib is equal to x plus iy. Okay, just see this. That means the real part of the left hand complex number equal to the real part of the right hand complex number. That means a equal to x. If a plus ib equal to x plus iy, then a equal to x, b equal to y. That means I'm equating the real numbers of the complex number and I'm equating the uh, like imaginary part of the complex numbers, v equal to y. Okay. Now with this, what we'll do is now first we will expand the first we'll expand the left hand side. Okay. Now what I'll do now? Now x square plus 4i minus 5x plus yi is equal to, now you see. Now what I'm doing now? Here 7 plus 2 is how much? 9. You can add the real numbers because we have seen in complex numbers additions adding the real numbers 9. Okay. Now plus I into 4 minus 3. 4 here minus here, which will be 9 plus sorry, this is 4yi. Sorry, this question actually it is not 4i, it is 4yi. Here there is one mistake, 4yi. 4yi, not 4i. No, that means it will be 4y. 4y minus 3. Okay, this will be 9y plus this one. Okay, now you see it. 4y minus 3. Now, here bring all this right hand side also, sorry, left hand side also into real numbers and imaginary numbers part. So, what I'll do now? It will be now x square minus 5x plus I into 4 plus y is equal to 9 plus I into 4y minus 3. Now, this is in the form of p plus I cube. This is q is equal to, this is in the form of a plus ib. Now, this is a, this is b. Imaginary part. Now, what I'll do now, as I told in this, if two complex numbers are equal, then equate the real numbers and equate the imaginary. So here p equal to a and q equal to b. What is p? X square minus 5x. This is equal to 9. And q is how much? 4 plus y is equal to 4y minus 3. 4y minus 3. Now 4y minus y is how much? 3y is equal to 7. Y equal to 7 by 3. Okay, now I'll just put like this. Okay, this is the y equal to 7 by 3. Okay, now, so y equal to 7 by 3. Now, I'm just highlighting this with colors so that you'll understand. So now you'll have now x square minus 5x minus 9 equal to 0. See, again, this is a quadratic equation. See, quadratic equations basics you might have studied in your earlier classes, 10th standard and all that. But quadratic equation, again, there will be a separate chapter in mains and your 11th and 12th standards, which will come in 12th standard and in mains also. Uh, so, so basically, uh, I'll take separate sessions on quadratic equations. But now in order to find the roots for this, so any quadratic equation roots, very simple we can find. There is a direct formula. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here x is equal to 5 plus or minus root of b square 25 minus 4 into 1 into minus 9 by 2. Okay. So this will be 5 plus or minus root of 25 plus 36 by 2. So which will be 5 plus or minus root 61 by 2. Okay. So this is how the x value. Okay. So how we got this? So by using this concept. So by using this concept, we are able to solve this problem. Take down this. Understood everyone? Equating the real numbers from the left hand side of complex number to the right hand side of complex number, equating the imaginary numbers of left hand side of complex number to the right hand side of complex number. Take down this. Okay. Now let us take another problem. Find real values of x and y if x square plus 5xi minus 4x plus yi is equal to 6 minus 2i plus 3 plus 4i. Okay, so now how will do now? See left side. Left side how will do? X square minus 4x plus I'll write it as 5x minus y is equal to 6 plus 3 is how much? Again I'm doing mistake. It is 4x. So x square plus 5xy minus 4x 6 minus 2y plus again 3 plus 4iy it is here. Question mistake. 3 plus 4iy. Now 6 plus 3 is 9 plus I into 4y minus 2. Okay. Now what I'll do now? X square minus 4x is equal to 9. Take the real part here. Take the real part here. Okay. Now similarly, take the imaginary part here. Take the imaginary part and take the imaginary part here. Okay. Now what I'll do now? X square minus 4x equal to 9. 5x minus y is equal to 4y minus 2. So what will be y? 5y is equal to 5x plus 2. Okay. 5y equal to 5x plus 2. So y is equal to x plus 2 by 5. Now y is dependent on x now. We cannot get y value directly. Now I have to solve x value. So x square minus 4x minus 9 equal to 0. Again this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute here. What is b here? Here a is 1. B is minus 4, C is minus 9. Okay, now solve this. Minus B is 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 4AC. 4 into A, 4 into 1, 4, 36 by 2, by 2. Okay, now it will be now how much? 4, I'll write here. I'll write here 4 plus root 52 by 2. Okay, so this how I can write as 4 plus root of 13 into 4 by 2. Okay, this is one root. See, plus or minus 2 roots I'll get. This is one root, root 1. Next, root 2 is how much? 4 minus root 52 by 2. 4 minus root 13 into 4 by 2. So 4 plus, if I take 4 outside the square root, it will be 2 root 13. 2 root 13 by 2. Here, 4 minus 2 root 13 by 2. Okay, this is how much. So this will be 2 plus root 13. Okay, this will be 2 minus root 13. Now I have two different x values. Y also will be two different now because y is dependent on x. So when x equal to 2 plus root 13, it will be now y equal to 2 plus root 13 plus 2 by 5 is how much? 10. 12 by 5 plus root 13. This is y value. Now when x is equal to when x is equal to 2 minus root 13, y is equal to 2 minus root 13 plus 2 by 5. How much it is? 12 by 5 minus root 13. Now what is the answer now we got? Two pairs we got. For x value 2 plus root 13, your y value will be this one. 12 by 5 plus root 13. This one. Okay, this is one pair. This is one pair. Okay. Now for x equal to 2 minus root 13, what is your y value? 12 by 5 minus root 13. This is another value. So this is the answer for two different values of x and y. Okay. So this is one. So you can just see this and solve accordingly these type of problems. So we'll connect in the next session. Thank you all.